Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. Today we'll be doing a very naughty poem, that is Cry for the Moon. Over here a child is crying for the moon. He is craving for the moon. So let's just begin with this beautiful poem. So the title of our poem is Crying for the Moon, और moon के लिए specific बात हो रही है, इसलिए यहाँ पे definite article लगा हुआ है, that is the. So read this poem carefully and learn how the queen shows her prince the moon, कि कैसे यहाँ पे queen जो है अपने prince को moon को दिखाती है. Now the king and the queen they are having dinner. King राजा और रानी को दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं? They are having their dinner. वो खाना खा रहे हैं रात का. They are eating पूड़ी and हलवा. क्या खा रहे हैं? पूड़ी और हलवा. They are eating fruits. वो fruits भी खा रहे हैं. They are eating sweets और वो मिठाई भी खा रहे हैं. And the little prince is not eating anything. Little prince जो है वो कुछ नहीं खा रहा है. उनका बेटा जो है वो कुछ नहीं खा रहा है. No, no, no. I do not want to eat. वो कह रहा है मुझे कुछ नहीं खाना है. He is not eating पूड़ी and हलवा. वो पूड़ी और हलवा भी नहीं खा रहा है. He is not eating the fruits. वो फल भी नहीं खा रहा है. He is not eating the sweets. वो मिठाई भी नहीं खा रहा है. The little prince does not want food. Little prince को खाना नहीं चाहिए है. What does the prince want? Prince को चाहिए क्या है? See, you can see there is a word does. ये does क्यों लिखा है? Do क्यों नहीं लिखा है? See, there is a conversation between mom and dad, right? Over here, this is the king, this is the queen. And they both are telling that their son, जो कौन है? Prince हैं, वो कुछ नहीं खा रहे हैं. Because there is a third person in between these two persons, that is why they are pointing towards their son. When there is a conversation between two people, we use do. I like to eat food. I do like to I like to do I like to play football. I am doing my homework. But when we are talking about the third person, हम क्या बताते हैं? He does not like to play cricket. वो उसको क्रिकेट खेलना नहीं पसंद है. She does not like to dance. उसको डांस करना नहीं पसंद है. And similarly over here, the king and the queen they are talking about the third person. They are talking about their son, which is a third person in their conversation. That is why we can see कि यहाँ पे क्या लगा हुआ है? Does लगा हुआ है instead of do. Now he is looking at the moon. वो क्या देख रहा है? वो चंदा मामा की तरफ देख रहा है. Wants the moon. उसको क्या चाहिए? उसको moon चाहिए. And what does his mother do? अब उसकी मम्मी क्या करे? अब सी यहाँ पे again third person की बात हो रही है. She places a tub of water in the open. वो क्या कर रही हैं? एक उन्होंने टब के अंदर पानी डाला है और उसको ओपन एरिया में रख दिया है. And she is saying that here is the moon. Are you happy now? क्या तुम अब खुश हो? Now the prince is very happy and he has got the moon now. और अब उसको moon मिल चुका है and he is happy. अब उसको moon कैसे मिल गया है? Because they are seeing that there is a reflection of moon inside the water, and this is how the sun, that is their prince, he got the moon. Moving on to the exercises, the first word is dinner. Dinner is the meal which is taken at night. जो हम रात को खाते हैं. प्रिंस कौन होता है? इट इज द सन ऑफ द किंग ओवर हियर. एंड टब क्या होता है? अ बिग एंड अ वाइड पॉट फॉर वाटर, मतलब एक बड़ा सा बर्तन जिसके अंदर उन्होंने पानी को रख दिया. मूविंग ऑन टू द एक्सरसाइजेस, फर्स्ट वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग द ओरल एक्सरसाइजेस वेयर वी विल लर्न टू प्रोनाउंस ईच वर्ड करेक्टली. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज क्वीन. दिस इज द फीमेल वर्जन ऑफ किंग. now it's having, then sweets, then prince, then it's anything, eating, happy, then the last one is moon. Moving on to the correct answer. The king and the queen, they are having their breakfast. Prince is not eating anything. Prince कुछ नहीं खा रहा था. He was not eating पूड़ी हलवा, sweets, nothing. The prince is looking at the moon. वो moon को देख रहा था. And mother places a dash of water in the open, that is the tub. Right? Fill in the blanks. They are eating dash and halwa. They are eating puri and halwa. And I hope you all like this puri and halwa when your mother used to make this sweet dessert at the time of Navratri. The little dash is not eating anything. The little prince is not eating anything. And prince want the moon. Prince को क्या चाहिए? Moon चाहिए. The prince is very happy as he got the moon by seeing its reflection in the tub which was full of water. Moving on to the true and false. The king and the queen, they are having their lunch. No, they were having their breakfast. The prince is eating halwa. No, it's false. He was not eating anything. The prince warned the moon. It's true. Mother shows the moon in the water. It's true. Moving on to the answer, the following questions. What did the king and the queen they were eating? They were eating puri halwa, sweets, and rest of the questions you will be doing it on your own. So I hope you all like this poem. In this poem, we studied that how the child was doing craving for the moon. He wanted to have moon. He was not interested in eating food with his family. Rather, he is more interested in Tuki that I want moon. And how his mom, she did basically she filled a bowl with water, and the reflection of the moon make the child feels that he is having a moon in his hands. So this is how a child was crying for the moon, and we have studied the interesting poem. So please stay focused for your study and keep smiling. Thank you.